How to change Discord keybinds. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can change Discord keybind. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up Discord application and make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged in, navigate to your user settings. For that, click on the settings icon right here. Once you're under your settings, navigate to this menu bar on your left hand side. Scroll down a bit and head towards Keybinds. Click on it. Now from here, you can add or change the Discord keybind as displayed here. First of all, you have to select the action. If you want to add new, click on add a keybind. Click on action, then select the action. Once you have selected the action, now you have to add a keybind. For that, click on record keybind, then press a key in your keyboard that you would like to set for the action. For example, I will just set the key T for the. So now this keybind has been added. If you want to edit this keybind or change it, again you have to navigate to this keybind, edit keybind. Now you can change the keybind. That's it. That's how you can change keybind in Discord, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.